report of my block1 information. Bill Gates said that the internet is becoming the town square for the global village of tomorrow. Today, I am going to explain block1 about 4 main points. In my presentation, first I will talk about Internet of Things. Second, I will talk about cloud computing. Third, I will talk about computer hardware. Finally, I will close my presentation by talking about open resource and how these technologies benefit users' lives. Internet of Things. The Internet is still the core and foundation of the Internet of Things, which is a network based on extension of the Internet. Moreover, the user side is extended and expanded by connecting any objects to exchange information and to communicate. The Internet of Things involves kind of devices such as heart monitoring, implants, biochip transponders on farm animals, and automobiles with built-in sensors or field operation devices that assist firefighters in search and rescue. The Internet of Things spirit not only makes people live more convenient, but also helps people manage different resources together as an important ability. The Internet of Things makes a great effort to make people from all over the world globalization. In addition, the Internet of Things does serious matters in 3 managements. First, the Internet of Things has a great ability to predict natural disasters. Because of fine-grained accuracy, the Internet of Things can better manage the situation of forest fires, earthquakes, and other natural disasters to evaluate people away from harm. Second, the Internet of Things has a great ability to better manage urban. Traffic can be noticed effectively in cities and countries. Parking is no longer waste people's time and energy. So the Internet of Things can provide smarter healthcare. When devices notice that a host has health problems, they can provide drugs immediately and message hosts' families immediately. Cloud computing. The cloud computing is a metaphor for the internet, and cloud computing is one type of computing which is based on sharing computing resources. Instead of trapped in one computer, users can keep information on any remote service such as the cloud computing. The users can access to their data from any devices in order to allocate resources to users. Cloud computing also helps maximize the effectiveness of the shared resources. Many businesses moving to the cloud because the cloud computing increases efficiency. The cloud computing offers users many benefits such as flexibility, automatic software updates, and security. The cloud computing not only helps users to have access to information and anywhere and anytime, but also helps save the environment. Vendors developed a product called Cloud Devices that is an online storage medium which helps people to save their information over the internet. The cloud device, the cloud drive provides a capability for users to get their information from any PC around the world at any time. The cloud computing vendors focus on infrastructure service to build data centers and offer other data to other companies, which means that the companies do not even need to have their own data centers. They can apply for application with a cloud computing provider who help them save time and energy. Computer hardware. A computer system is consisted by the collection of physical elements, which is computer hardware. Computer hardware has all of the components which users can touch and see and make their computer work. The basic part of the computer are the monitor, keyboard, mouse, power cord, and the computer case. The computer case is a plastic box which contains the main elements of the computer, such as motherboard, central processing unit, power supply, and so on. The video card, which is located inside of the computer case, helps the monitor to display images and text on the screen. The power cord helps computer power on. The keyboard is one of the important things to communicate with the computer and send the data. The mouse is known as the pointing device. Hardware is keyboard for explaining the information which provided by software and changing the information as final form. The hardware is very important because without hardware, the software will not be accessible. Open source. Open source generally refers to a program which users can have access to the resource code in public and change from its original design. Moreover, the open source code has a corporation product and was created by a group of people's effort. These people improve and share the changes within the community and the public. The open source initiative issued a certification standard that the computer program's source code can be available free of modification to the community. Open source provides many benefits, and open source pay more attention on security, quantity, and cost. First, it's hard to imagine the core of the code is to open to public view. Android did a great job, although it's not open for open resource to the public. Users can still use it as a perfect example for some open source, which means users can receive freedom and security at the same time. Second, the open source developers make effort to develop what they want to the users and improve the source better and better. So some people may be afraid that they buy the open source for nothing, but open source providers partly deal free price. In conclusion, I love to review all of the main points that I mentioned: Internet of Things, cloud computing, computer hardware, and open source. I would like to thank you for watching my Google Hangout presentation.